Good day, everyone. Learn how to convert video to MP4. To do that, we need the VLC media player, the very popular media player. Almost everyone know that. So how to download that? We'll quickly open the browser and type VLC download. And the very first result will come videoland.org. Please make sure that you only visit the official website. And once you visit the site, it should look like this. From here, you can download and install it. Once it is downloaded and installed, we will open the VLC media player like this. And at the very top, we have this option called media. So we will click on that. It's a very easy process, I must say that. Now I'll click on convert. From here, I'll select the file. Let's say I want to convert this file. I'll click on open. Now, we need to click on this convert option below that. Click anywhere. And now in the settings, we need to select the format where exactly we want. If we want MP3, we can do that. If we want MP4, we can do that. So here we have the MP4, the very first one. I would recommend to go for the first one, which says H.264 MP3 MP4. So we have selected that. And now we need to save it where exactly you want to save it. So I'll save it to my desktop. And I'll mention my MP4 file like this. And I'll click on save and I'll click on start. Now, the moment you do that, you can see the progress bar. It has done very quickly. And I'll go to my desktop. I'll look for the file and it is there. My MP4 file is right there. And if I hover the cursor on that, it says MP4 video file. Okay. So this is how you can convert video to MP4. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and do leave a comment. I'll be glad if you do so. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.